Hey guys, welcome to another video, and the updates just came out. Yay, okay. Lines are back, which, oops, you could not see the line is right there. Oops, okay. And the new trading tip, so, always please, you should never give out your password, don't let anyone, anything, or say they'll give it back, and always use the trading system when you can still scam. It's not a cheetah. Okay, wait, let's see this. Same, oh yeah, that's the same person. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's just say someone trade me a diamond shop thing. Okay, that's not diamond shop, but okay. Hi. Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. Hi. Okay, so the pet lions, not pet lions. The lions are out. Okay, so as you can see, they're not the same. It does not show you a diamond thing. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I wanted to see that. Okay, that's spaced weird. Okay, yeah. So, oops. Okay. Oh no! Sorry, guys. So sorry. Okay. So the new the new game, which is Best Guess, which I really love to play these games. They're really fun. We will go see that, the Chamber of Knowledge and Clover Armor. It's available. Oh, it's still in the shop. Yeah, okay. And the April Fool's Party is coming up. I've never been to the April Fool's Party. Never. And the Conservation Museum, yeah. What? Okay, let's go out here. Why am I doing that? Okay, let's go to the Conservation Museum. Let's go. Hurry. Okay. Let's see. Lion Flat. Strange name, but okay. Wait. Pause. Oh, wait. I forgot to turn on my... Hopefully you guys can hear that. He's so happy. That's so cool. Look, huge. Oh, he's so sad. That was so weird. Okay, sorry, I had to turn off that. Let's see if there's anything new. Nothing new there. I think there might be something new here. Let's just check. The spring. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I have to buy it. But when I get more money, I'll buy it. So cute. I like these, but I never bought it yet. Okay, let's see if there's any new clothes. The Musketeer hat came back actually, which, wait, let's see if anything is going. Nope, the Musketeer hat is here, so you can buy your Musketeer hats. And, I will be playing this in 53 minutes, I know. And they changed the look of this, I don't know. It used to be a little, thinner. That's weird. Okay, yeah. Oops. Well, okay then. Okay, bye guys, and don't forget I will be making a giveaway video thing for everyone for it, but I still need one more thing for it. So yeah. Panda, hi Panda. Okay. Yeah. So, okay. Yeah. Bye guys. Okay guys, the new game is on. Yay. Okay, so some ants heard entire, it's true, okay, it's true. Yeah. So you can say, oh, you can say anything you want. Yay. African gray parrots are quiet birds. Wait, let's go over here. Can I say unicorn? Unicorn. I don't know why. Can I say this? No. No, they don't lay eggs. No, beavers do not lay eggs. No, wait, no, go back on false. No, that's not what I meant. Go on false. No, I did. I once. Oh, bumblebees do not sting. Bumblebees do sting. Yeah. Green anacondas have a saltwater habitat. It's true. No. Oh man, they don't give you free chat. But you can say this, and you can say this a lot of it. Can you say 2 numbers? No, you can't say. Chameleons do not lay eggs. No, they don't. Hey, you mean. False. Yes, I got it correct. So that's how many, so I think it's green turtle eggs are the biggest species of shelled sea turtles. Oh, I'm gonna go over here. Okay, so that's how many times you went, so it doubles each time. I think so, yeah. True, yes. So see, it's already 70. Yeah. Male American alligators are smaller than females. True. No, false. I don't really know. I'm just gonna say false. Yes. I'm going with the crowd. Okay guys, this is all for now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, thanks for watching and bye.